Right. So what we have right here is we have two different relationships. We have a cost, right, for the restaurant, and then we have a revenue, the amount of money that's coming in, and we want to find out where they break even. So what we're going to do is look for a cost per meal and then the revenue per meal. Okay, so these are the two equations that I'm going to set up. So the cost per meal is, or the cost per meal for the whole restaurant is the startup cost, which is $120,000, plus the cost of each individual meal, which is $10. So 10 per meal. So this is my first equation. It is a linear equation, but that gives me the total cost to this restaurant. And the second equation is the revenue, the amount of money that comes in. So if the meals are sold for $15 each, it's $15 per meal. So there's my revenue. Okay, so if you set up and find these two equations, you can then use your system solver and find what number of meals would make these equal to each other. And that'll be your answer. Okay, so if you go to your system solver again, now even though I represented this in terms of a function and the m values, I'm going to replace this with a y. So y equals 120,000 plus 10x, again, so I don't have to change my variables in the template. And then next, my y equals 15x. And again, I'm setting my y's equal to each other. I want to find where these two values are the same, so I can label them the same variable. And when I hit enter, I get my solution. So my x value, which is m's, my meals, 24,000. And you see that my y coordinate was 360,000. And so if we wanted to identify what exactly the parts of this solution mean, okay, the 24,000 is the number of meals it takes to break even. What's the 360,000? That is the total cost and the total revenue that has to be accounted for or made in order for the restaurant to start earning money. So the restaurant's not profitable until it makes $360,000, and then it starts to be a profit.